usually do it, everything is the right way. The creation of motion comes from the rapid gradient difference, but in respect to the third position. And so when you create very strong material here, then you create a weak material here in the same dimension. This middle one becomes the rotator. You understand, sorry? Yeah? So as it comes in, it goes back, but as it comes back, it creates this to rotate. It has no choice, because what it does, it takes a turn and does the same thing. As the other one comes, it has to take a turn. So these two are field rotators, but physically the third one in the middle rotates. You can do this in your dynamic reactors to create motion, and it's very simply done. When you load up your reactors, or space reactors, you can use this. This is what I especially refer to in the teaching, as even on I asked for it to be shown 129, and in a meeting recently I referred to it. This 129, if you look at it, we have three systems set up, very weak, very strong, and actually if you look into it, we don't get much motion in this one, but this has to do with this one. This has to create a motion with this one. And then you find out, because of the two difference, it creates a motion in this. And this is one of the reasons, if you look, we set the reactors this way. Because it's inevitable that it starts very slowly, and then they have to always to link up with the top. Then they start switching each other on. You're looking for plasma to rotate, you're really looking for your GANs to rotate, you're looking for your motor to rotate, then there is something happening. If you can create a dynamic reactor motion, then it goes. But in a way I always say, mm, everybody on this planet thinks when the people come from the other side, they'll teach them a lot. One of the beauties of human being system is you have discovered a motor. And that puts you a step further. In the space, people to create motion and be so control of it, it is done. But you're, you're, you are mechanically have managed to produce this. So you're a step further. Even if you position your reactors and change speed slightly in your rotation, you create a motion inside. When you stop gradually, you plug it in and it's got to work, otherwise there is something wrong. I plug it in, I go holiday for 30 days, I come back, maybe it's working. I go for another 6 months and I say, just start working.